today. Here's another simple and easy homemade dish. Don't miss a chance to add it to your menu.
Plated this way, this dish is perfect for festive occasions or when hosting guests. It's both delicious and a feast for the eyes. That's a great idea! Let's start collecting some festive recipes now so you're all set for the New Year celebrations. The ingredients are very simple. All you need are broccoli, king oyster mushrooms, and olive vegetable. Cut the broccoli into small florets, wash them, and set aside. Wipe the king oyster mushrooms with a paper towel, cut them open, and score the centers. This makes them easy to shred into thin strips. Does the shredded king oyster mushroom look like shredded chicken? I've shared another recipe on how to make vegetarian chicken shreds. Interested friends, remember to check it out. With all the ingredients prepared, place the shredded king oyster mushrooms directly into the pan without adding any cooking oil and stir fry until fragrant. Cooking king oyster mushrooms without oil first allows their natural moisture to release, intensifying their savory aroma. This dry roasting method also gives the mushrooms a pleasantly chewy texture. It's a simple way to enhance depth of flavor before adding other ingredients. Once the aroma develops, add the broccoli and a small amount of cooking oil, then stir in the olive vegetable and stir-fry everything together. I added about 1 tablespoon of olive vegetable. Since it already has a strong flavor, remember to adjust the seasoning according to your own taste. Add an appropriate amount of water and cook until the broccoli and king oyster mushrooms become tender and fully cooked. For the best texture, cook the broccoli and king oyster mushrooms until they are tender but still slightly crisp, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Avoid overcooking to preserve their natural sweetness and nutrients. Once cooked, transfer to a plate, arrange it as you like, and it's ready to eat. Personally, I like to arrange the broccoli around the edge of the bowl and pile the king oyster mushrooms in the center. If you have carrots, you can also cut them into flower shapes to make the dish even more visually appealing. The savory aroma of olive vegetable blends perfectly with the broccoli and king oyster mushrooms, creating a rich, umami flavor with a satisfying depth. The mushrooms absorb the seasonings and become tender and juicy, while the broccoli stays crisp and refreshing, offering a wonderful mix of textures. This dish is fragrant, simple, yet incredibly satisfying, a wholesome and comforting vegetarian stir-fry that feels just like home. This dish is rich in dietary fiber and plant-based protein, with low fat and moderate calories. Broccoli provides vitamin C and antioxidants, while king oyster mushrooms contain various minerals. Olive vegetable adds flavor, but its sodium content should be noted. Overall, it is a balanced and nutritious option, fitting well into a healthy diet. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.